Have you ever wondered why you replay embarrassing moments at 2 a.m.? Why you trust confident people more? Or why you suddenly want something just because someone else has it? What if I told you most of your daily decisions aren't as logical as you think? Your brain is constantly using shortcuts, invisible psychological rules, to help you survive, connect, and decide faster. Today, we're uncovering 7 powerful psychology facts about human behavior that secretly shape your relationships, money decisions, confidence, and even your stress levels. And stay until the end, because fact number 7 explains why you overthink negative experiences far more than positive ones, and how to stop.
Before we begin, comment below. Do you think humans are more emotional or logical? Let's see if your answer changes by the end.
If someone is attractive, we assume they're intelligent. If someone speaks confidently, we assume they're competent. This is called the halo effect, first identified by psychologist Edward Thorndike. Your brain takes one positive trait and lets it spill over into everything else.
Studies show attractive individuals are often rated as more trustworthy and capable, even without evidence. That's why packaging matters. First impressions matter. Confidence matters.
Have you ever judged someone quickly and later realized you were wrong? Comment halo if yes.
Remember that time you thought everyone noticed your mistake? They didn't. The spotlight effect explains how we massively overestimate how much people notice us. Psychologist Thomas Gilovich demonstrated this in experiments where participants believed others noticed embarrassing shirts far more than they actually did.
Here's the truth. Everyone is too busy worrying about themselves. Your embarrassment feels bigger to you than to anyone else.
And this next fact explains why we still care so much about what others think.
When we're unsure, we look at others. This concept was popularized by psychologist Robert Cialdini in his research on influence. If everyone is clapping, you clap. If a product has 5,000 reviews, you trust it. If everyone panics, you panic.
Social proof helps us survive in groups. But it also makes us vulnerable to trends, bubbles, and misinformation.
Quick question. Have you ever bought something just because it was trending? Be honest.
Imagine saying, "Health is important," while eating junk food. That mental discomfort? That's cognitive dissonance. Psychologist Leon Festinger explained how our brains hate inconsistency.
Instead of changing behavior, we often change our beliefs. I deserve this. Tomorrow I'll start. It's not that bad. Your brain protects your self-image.
But here's where it gets even more interesting.
1 criticism, 10 compliments. Which do you remember? The criticism. Psychologist Rick Hansen famously summarized it. The brain is like Velcro for negative experiences and Teflon for positive ones.
This bias evolved for survival. Missing danger once could cost your life. But today, it fuels anxiety, overthinking, and stress.
Try this tonight. Write 3 small wins before sleep. Train your brain to notice positives.
We remember the last thing better than the first. That's why the ending of a speech matters. The final scene of a movie shapes your opinion. The last message in an argument stays longest.
Your brain gives more weight to recent information. That's why strong endings are powerful. And that's exactly why fact number 7 might change how you see your own mind.
We don't search for truth. We search for agreement. Confirmation bias makes us look for information that supports what we already believe. This concept has roots in cognitive research influenced by thinkers like Peter Wason,
If you believe you're bad at public speaking, you'll remember every mistake. If you believe people don't like you, you'll interpret neutral faces as rejection. Your brain filters reality to protect identity.
And this connects back to everything we discussed.
So today you learned the halo effect, the spotlight effect, social proof, cognitive dissonance, negativity bias, recency effect, confirmation bias. Your brain isn't broken. It's efficient. But awareness gives you power.
When you understand your psychology, you stop being controlled by it. You start choosing instead of reacting.
Which fact surprised you the most? Comment the number below. And if this video helped you understand your mind better, subscribe to Mind Science Simplified. Because your brain should work for you, not against you.